Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. The Odisha government Wednesday informed the Odisha High Court that it will withdraw the notification issued for reservation of seats for the 3-tier Panchayat elections likely to be held early next year. The government also informed the court that it will issue a fresh notification regarding the reservation of seats December 27. Amid the growing concerns over Omicron, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik Wednesday appealed the people of the state to strictly follow COVID-appropriate behavior. Patnaik's appeal comes a day after Odisha reported its first 2 cases of the Omicron infection Tuesday. 2 girl students who were allegedly abducted by a tuition teacher from Badgad area in Bhubaneswar were rescued from Maithapalli area of Sambalpur, police said Wednesday. The police were tipped off about the presence of the accused in Maithapalli area and subsequently a raid was conducted. The DRDO successfully conducted the maiden flight test of indigenously developed surface-to-surface ballistic missile Pralay from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off Orissa coast today. The missile, launched at around 10:30 am, met all the mission objectives, the Ministry of Defence said in a statement. Regional Meteorological Centre Bhubaneswar today said that cold wave condition in Orissa is likely to continue for another 2 to 3 days. As per the latest temperature count released by the IMD today, 17 places in the state recorded temperature below 10 degrees Celsius. Phulbani recorded the season's coldest night as mercury plunged to 3.6 degrees Celsius. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were adjourned sine die today ahead of schedule amid protests by opposition parties. The winter session, which began on November 29, saw a deadlock between the opposition and the government in the Rajya Sabha over the suspension of a dozen MPs due to alleged unruly behavior during the previous monsoon session. Lok Sabha was also adjourned sine die a day ahead of its original schedule, marking the end of the winter session of Parliament. The Income Tax Department Wednesday conducted searches on several premises of Chinese mobile companies across the nation. These companies were allegedly violating rules and norms to evade taxes. They were on radar of several probe agencies, including the Income Tax Department. A landslide at a remote jade mine in northern Myanmar's Kachin state killed 1 person and left at least 70 missing today, and a search and rescue operation was underway, rescue officials said. Reports were scanned from the area in Pakant, which is the center of world's biggest and most lucrative jade mining industry. It's a region where sporadic fighting has broken out between the Myanmar army and ethnic guerrilla forces. Indian men's hockey team today won the bronze medal at Asian Champions Trophy after beating Pakistan 4-3 in third place payoff match. In a neck-and-neck contest, it was Manpreet Singh's boys who came out on top, beating the arch-rivals to secure a third place finish. Captain Manpreet Singh was named the player of the match. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.